Alright, welcome back to Crease Crashers. It's Daddy-O here. We've got a bit of a different break here today. I picked up this tin from our local card shop today. No, it is not 2021 the cup. It is a mystery tin. They've just used these tins and they've put in, I think there's 3 mystery packs and a mystery single card in here. We paid $25 for it, so let's see what we got. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, tell all your friends, and have fun. I'm going to use this just to cover up that one single card there. That'll be the surprise for the end. So let's see the packs we got. We've got 20, 21, 22 Extended Series Hobby. We've got 21, 22 Series 2 Hobby. And we've got 21, 22 Series 1 Hobby. So 3 hobby packs. So there could be something exciting in here. I think we'll start. I'm going to go Extended first, and then I'm going to do Series 1, and then I'm going to do Series 2. Just because. So let's go. Okay. So we've got Pierre-Edouard Bellemare. We've got Frederick Goudreau, Alex Tuck, Dylan Larkin. That looks to be a retro card. So that's kind of neat. I'll sleeve that one up maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Marc-Andre Fleury, that's a cool shot. I like those pads. And then we've got Tony D'Angelo, Gustav Forsling, and Louis Eriksson. And I don't think there's any French. I always forget to look for the French cards in these hobby packs. And we'll stick it right there. Bada boom, bada bang. Pack number 2, 21-22 Series 1 Hockey Hobby. See, right there, Hobby.
Oh my God! Wow!
Get out of here.
Now that's a lot of damage!
I said get out of here.
But why? Why would you do that? Why would you do any of that?
Victor Arvidsson. Michael Bunting, Mackenzie Blackwood, Victor Hedman, Justin Schultz, Dylan Strome, Cal Pedersen, and Vladislav Nemesnikov. Well, golly, did I miss something? So there we go. Justin Schultz, French. Oh yeah, right there. Okay. So that's cool. Got a French card. I figured there was something that I was missing. And there's that. Okay. Okay. You can go right there. Okay, pack number 3, final pack. We got 21-22 Hockey Series 2 Hobby. We got a couple of holes in this pack. I don't know what's with that. You see that? Right there, right there. Let's see how this goes. Okay, starting off with Ryan O'Reilly. Oh, there's something coming up. I think it's an O-Pee-Chee. Paul Stastny. Hayden Fleury, Drake Batherson, We got Nikolai Ehlers, Anthony Beauvillier, Eric Carlson, and Lucas Raymond, marquee rookies. It's not a bad name for peachy. Lucas Raymond, marquee rookies. Put him in the middle. And last but not least, okay, slow reveal. What do we have here? Oh, it's Artifacts. Washington Capitals. Is that a number 5? Left wing. Alex Ovechkin. 337 out of 499. Look at that. Ovechkin. Very nice. So that's from 2021 Artifacts. Very nice. It's not bad at all. I'd say I got $25 worth out of that. Cool. There you have it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends. Check us out on Instagram at Crease Crashers. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.